Hey folks, Dr. Kelly Watson here, and I just wanted to give you an overview of the game we're going to play this week called Research Question Bingo. So the objective of this is for you to brainstorm as many research questions as possible, and I'm going to help you achieve that with some different prompts. And the idea is to have a little fun with it as well. So first thing that's important is that you will have been set up in a group chat. If you haven't been added to the group chat for the class, for my class, then we need to make sure that you do that before we start the game. Second thing is you're going to get assigned to you a bingo card. And I want you to go through the bingo card and start thinking about your research questions and fill them out in red according to each of the individual prompts. So you will have a prompt, you'll have different prompts that kind of apply to different types of research questions. So go ahead and fill out any that you can think of. You only have to have one in each square, so don't worry if you have multiple, and maybe a different research question could apply to multiple prompts. You can't use the same research question for multiple prompts, but you can put, if you have two for one, you may want to think about how can it apply to another prompt. All right, so once you have, got started on that, what's going to happen is when the game kicks off is I'm going to call a research question category. And if you have filled in a research question on that category, you're going to mark your card. And you can just bold it or something that, color it in, however you want to do it. And then I'm going to keep calling out different prompts or different question categories. And when you get a full line of connected squares, then you will reach out on the group chat and you will call bingo and post your card. At that point, the group can weigh in and they can critique your research question and say, no, that doesn't apply. And we'll have a little back and forth. But assuming that your peers have accepted the appropriateness of your research questions, then you will have won that round. We will play multiple rounds, so keep your card because after we have achieved a straight line, there may be other variations that will be called out. So keep your card. Ultimately, at the end of the game, we are going to collect all of the research question cards, so you can submit those in Brightspace. And if you don't have an opportunity to play because you're at work and you're just unable to keep up, that's okay. We're just trying to make this fun. So if possible, take a look at the research questions that others have posted, at some point. And also make sure that you submit your card because your card is the one that I want to read and that is important for you ultimately. So I hope you enjoy this game. And if you have questions, certainly reach out. Good luck.